Yes, hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora. Now, today in this video, we are going to talk about the important, crucial questions you must ask yourself, you must ask your partner in your relationship, because we want to know how to date and date right. So, are you new to my channel? Please subscribe. Click on the notifications bell so that every time I post a video, you get notified. To book a counseling session, go to noraarake.com/booking and follow my handles. Facebook is at Nora82, Instagram is @Nora, Twitter is at @NoraChariba. And for your fashion and design needs, follow Faith Peters on Instagram and Facebook. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Number 1, am I attracted to this person? Ask yourself that question. Is this person attracted to me? And does our attraction go beyond mere physical looks? Sure, appearance might catch someone's eye, but attraction can go as far as someone's personality, someone's values, faith, someone's heart, the way they behave, their past, present, and future story. Because at the end of the day, this is what's going to make both of you stay in this relationship. So, apart from physical looks, does your attraction to each other go beyond physical looks? Ask yourself that important question. Always remember that what is inside, what is not seen, is much more crucial and important than the physical wrapping paper, than what you see on top, than the book cover. Number 2, ask yourself, are we loving each other from our insecurities, or we are loving each other from the point of view of our strength? Now, loving from our insecurities is when you want to know what your partner can do for you. You want to make sure your partner is not better than you. If she is a woman, you want to make sure she is under you. She's under you in her education level. She's under you in the way she gets her finances. She's under you with income. She is lower. She is of a low status than you are. But when you love from your strength, you feel that you and your partner are equals. You are partners. You love each other. You want to know what you can offer to your partner. You want to know how to help your partner elevate in status, elevate in income. That is loving from the point of view of your strength. So, ask yourself this question. Is your partner loving you from the point of view of his or her weaknesses, or the other way around? If you love each other from your insecurities point of view, you are going to have a selfish type of relationship. It's not selfless, it's individualistic, it is egoistic, it is narcissistic type of relationship. You are going to find yourself either being manipulated or manipulating your partner. Is that the type of love you want? Ask yourself those important questions. When someone is loving you from the point of view of their strength, they will give without expecting something in return. They will be empathetic. They will be loving. They will be understanding. They will be forgiving. And there won't be any type of selfishness. So it's time to find out, is their love based on you, or it's based on them? Ask yourself that question. Number 3, ask yourself, Do I really want to become like this person I'm dating? Yes. Look at your partner. Does this partner inspire you to be great, to be like them? Is there something about them you admire? Is it the way they work? Is it the way they live their life? Is it the way they execute their daily duties? Do you admire what your partner is? Does your partner inspire you? Does your partner make your blood boil for the better? Do you want to be like him or her? If you find that nothing about your partner excites you, makes you admire, then ask yourself if you should be dating this partner. Ask yourself before it's too late. Number 4, what is the level of communication in this relationship? Ask yourself that question. Do you communicate well? Does your partner communicate well? How do both of your families communicate? How is communication in both of your families? Do you celebrate holidays? Do you celebrate family get-togethers in both your families? So, how have you been raised to communicate as a person? How has your partner been raised to communicate as a person? Is he or she the type of person who pursues the silent treatment every time there is a simple, slight argument? Ask yourself these questions. This will help you to know how to better your relationship, what to correct in your relationship, what to withstand in your relationship, what you can work with and what you can't. This is self-awareness, dating awareness, relationship awareness. Ask yourself these crucial questions. Number 5, ask yourself, do our values as a couple repel or compel? What are your values as a person? What do you live with as a person? What is your history? What is your culture? Do you understand who you are? Do you understand yourself? What is your religion? What is your partner's religion? Do you and your family accept to marry or get married to your partner in their religion, in their culture, in their race, in whatever it is? What are your values and beliefs vis-a-vis your partners? Will you manage to live with it? Will you manage to eat what she eats or what he eats? Will you manage to raise your kids in the same way that your partner was raised? Or the way your partner's family raises kids? Will you manage? Will you manage to enjoy your partner's hobbies before you go ahead in this dating journey? Ask yourself these important questions. They are going to help you know what to correct in your relationship, know what to adjust, know yourself, know what you can live with and what you can't live with in your relationship. There are some cultures that you won't manage just because you were not born or raised in that manner. Ask yourself those questions. Find out about your partner's values, beliefs, culture, norms. Find out now. Number 6, last but not least, ask yourself, why am I dating this person? Why is this person dating me? Why are we dating? Am I dating this person because of money? Am I dating this person because I'm bored? Is this person dating me because they are getting money from me or I'm getting money from them? Am I dating this person because I want people around to see that I have a partner? Why are we dating? If you realize that you are dating for the wrong reasons, you are dating this person because of their physical appearance, you are dating this person because of something that is not a good reason, then you shouldn't be dating this person, or this person, you shouldn't be in a dating relationship with this person. We date because we want this relationship to grow into marriage. So if you realize that you are dating for the wrong reasons, then you're not supposed to be dating anyone. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click on the notifications bell so that every time I post a video, you get notified. Follow my handles. Facebook is at Nora82, Instagram is @Nora, Twitter is at Nora Charimpa. Thank you, I love you. See you in the next video. Bye.